One of the most commonly asked questions we get are, what plants can I plant in my garden to attract pollinators? So I'm going to go through some of our best picks. So who are our pollinators? There's bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies. So bees love to see colors in bright yellow, purple, and white. So my top picks are calendula, sweet alyssum, marigolds, and for very early in the season, don't forget your violas and pansies. Hummingbirds are so interesting to watch, and the best picks for our hummingbirds, honestly, one of the best things you can plant are nasturtiums. These will have beautiful yellow, orange, and red colored flowers, which is what hummingbirds see best. But nasturtiums are one of the most nectar-rich flowers that you can put in the garden for your hummingbirds. So definitely plant some of those. Our little million bells or calibrachoa petunias, again in yellows, orange, or red, are going to be a popular choice. This is called hummingbird's lunch, and you can see here we have those tubular flowers that hummingbirds love. So this is a must-have. And don't forget the black-eyed Susan vines, which again come in yellows, oranges, and other colors, but those are the most popular. Now for butterflies, butterflies collect nectar with their feet, so they like to have flat top flowers. So one of the best picks are the different argyranthemums, which come in pink, whites, yellows, cosmos, profusion zinnias. These are a must-have, and you can use these in containers, you can use them as a ground cover. These will get beautiful white, yellow, or orange flowers, and they bloom from early spring right through to late October. And don't forget about verbena for your hanging baskets and containers. So those are just a few suggestions. There's many more. Come in and see us at the Garden Center.